Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all charging method for your speaker Anker Soundcore 3. So the first one is to use a USB-C cable. So just connect it to the USB-C port on your speaker. Right here we can see a LED light, so it means that it's charging. And the second one is to use your phone. All you want to have is a USB-C to USB-C cable right here. But if your phone doesn't support USB-C, maybe you should have a Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. So just connect it to your phone and the second one to your speaker. And we can also see a LED light, so it means that it's charging, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!